Hi everyone. In this video we will explain how to make ice cream without refrigerator.
Have you ever made a homemade ice cream? It can be a lot of fun and you will end up with a tasty frozen treat. A lot of interesting chemistry is actually needed to make ice cream. For example, think about how you start out with refrigerated ingredients and then need to cool them down, turn into the ice cream. And how do the ingredients change during this process? So, in this science activity, you will make your own ice cream and explore the best way to chill ingredients to make them become a delicious reward.
The ingredients:
air kotak berperisa, garam, ais batu, plastik dan sudu.
Procedure:
Okey, mula-mula kita buka. And then tuang dalam plastik. Suku plastik. Okey, lepas tu kita ketat supaya dia tak bocor bila kita nak goncangkan nanti dekat air. Lepas tu kita ulang langkah ni untuk berapa ais krim yang kita nak.
Kita tulis. Sekarang ini yang air yang telah diikat ketat dalam plastik, kita letakkan ke dalam yang penuh dengan ais batu. Kita masukkan dan proses yang paling penting,
Kita masukkan garam.
Dan kita goncang.
Five minutes later. Few minutes later.
So, as we can see, it's transformed to ice cream. Delicious, tasty, and refreshing.
Explanation:
Okay, what happened was ice has to absorb heat energy in order to melt and change from a solid to a liquid. It is an endothermic process. If you hold ice, you can feel your hand get cold as the ice absorbs heat from your hand. In the same way, the heat from the lemon tea is absorbed by the ice, so it cools and freezes. When it adds salt to the ice, it lowers the freezing point of the ice, so even more energy has to be absorbed from the lemon tea in order for the ice to melt. This makes the ice colder than it was before, which is how your lemon tea freezes quickly in ice with salt than just ice, so it creates the ice cream.
The conclusion:
From this video, we can conclude that STEM also can teach students to solve problems by using their critical thinking skill.
And it also helps to make our life easier.
Thank you for watching.